Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make an overhead rig for your GoPro camera so that you can take those cool top down shots whenever you're making an unboxing video or any other video. So this is going to be a budget build. Make sure you watch this video till the very end. Let's begin the video. Here are the things required. First of all, this is going to be a budget build, so all of these things except the GoPro cost less than $20 because you're going to have your GoPro as an overhead camera. It's not going to be very heavy, so with budget friendly stuff you can still do this. The first thing that you're going to need is a ring light stand. So here you're going to have a 1/4" screw on the top and the ring light stand itself. The second thing is that you're going to need two of these mini ball head metal screw connectors, so you're going to need two of these. The third thing is that you're going to need a GoPro mount where you can connect the GoPro at the top, and you're going to have a 1/4" screw hole at the bottom. Again, a screw to tighten the your GoPro, whichever you're going to mount. I have the Hero 10. The process is going to be same for all the GoPros because their mount is similar. And the last thing is a selfie stick. So I have this Yunteng selfie stick. So basically you can use any selfie stick. The main reason that you need to make sure that it has a 1/4" screw at the top and a 1/4" screw hole at the bottom. This is the main important thing because we are going to connect it. So make sure that you buy any selfie stick, but it should have the 1/4" screw at the top at a 1/4" screw at the bottom. So now let me show you how you can connect all of these things together. The first thing is that you're going to have your ring light stand. On the bottom you can see we got this little screw. Unscrew it, and all you need to do is to open the bottom leg, something like this. Now what you need to do, once you have loosened the screw, all you need to do is to push it down, and you can see the bottom legs will open up. After that, all you need to do is to tighten the screw again so the legs don't close accidentally. And once you have done it firmly, you can place it on the ground. Before that, you're going to have 2 screws or 3 here as well, depending on the height of your ring light stand. You're going to loosen both of them, and you're going to place your stand something like this. And after that, what you can do is to just tighten the screw. And here on the top you got your 1/4" screw on which we are going to connect the rest of the accessories. Now I'm going to connect this mini metal ball head connector to the ring light stand. As you can see on the top, here on the bottom you can see we got this 1/4" hole. So all you need to do is to put it on it, and all you need to do is to rotate it until it is tightened enough. Once you have done that, you can unplug or unscrew the top part, and you can move the top part quite easily. So this is the second step of doing it. So for now, all you need to do is to make it have an angle like this and screw it tight from the back. The third thing is going to be your selfie stick. Again, on the back of your selfie stick you're going to have this 1/4" screw hole, if the camera can focus in it. So all you need to do is to connect it with the screw right here. Just do it and rotate it, and it should go in quite easily and tighten up as well. So you can see we got this stand look like an L. Here we have the ring light stand, the connector, and now the selfie stick. And now at the end of the selfie stick we can mount our GoPro with the other connector. So here all you need to do is to open the legs of your GoPro, connect this connector to the GoPro bottom, and just screw it with the GoPro standard screw. Once it is in place, make sure that it is almost straight. You're going to take your second mini ball head mini ball head connector, and you're going to screw it in like so. Make sure that it is tightly connected because it is your GoPro, you don't want it to fall. And you're going to have something like this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to connect the lower bottom to our main stand. Here we have our main stand. So I'm going to connect this GoPro along with the mount. So with this selfie stick you got this little screw tightening kind of thing, which makes life much easier. And you're going to have something like this. So basically on the whole, if I can show you, here you got your GoPro looking downward to the table, and with these connectors you can almost rotate your GoPro in any direction. So if I just unscrew this, I can go up, down and so on. So, and yeah, you also got this connector on your selfie stick as well, so you almost got a 360-degree rotation, which is cool if you have a lot of flexibility. And here if I go on the back, you can see the selfie stick is connected to the main light stand with the connector, and here we have our ring light stand. Again, not buying the most expensive light stand because the GoPro is not going to weight a lot, and from here you can adjust the height, and from here you can see we got the selfie stick extension arm, so if I want to, I can extend the arm as well. And if you see that if your stand is, you know, in my case going towards the front, you can have some sandbags at the feet of your light stand. So guys, just wanted to point out one thing, that this joint is going to be a little bit weak because it's going to have some weight on the front of the selfie stick, and the GoPro in most cases it's not going to break, but it's going to be a little bit wiggly because this is a budget build. If you want to have a more stable joint over here, I will share the picture right here for the other connector which you can buy, which is much more durable. This is more of a budget build, so I have gone with this one. That's why it's going to be a little bit wiggly, but if you want a more stronger build, I will show the picture of that connector and a link in the video description as well. So here you can see I'm using the GoPro as the overhead camera. Again, you might see some borders here, but since I'm recording in 4K, I can easily crop the video and without losing any quality. So this is best way to use your GoPro as an overhead rig, as you can see right here. And here on the main camera you can see that the GoPro is mounted on the top and I can almost do anything. So it's great if you want to have those cool top down videos when you're making some kind of any unboxing video. So yeah guys, in this way you can have or make an overhead rig for your GoPro camera. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.